From farm to market, TalipaAPP has got you covered. TalipaAPP empowers farmers to post their commodities, bringing fresh and affordable goods directly to the market. Buying local has never been easier. Vendors can look for their commodity interest with ease. Rest assured that once you entrust your commodity to us, we'll make sure it is delivered right away with the utmost care. Say goodbye to complicated payment methods and hello to easy payments with TalipaAPP and GCash. Why pay more when you can get the same quality produced for less with TalipaAPP? With TalipaAPP,
Affordable!
affordable!